Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to go over some different ways that you can potentially add money to your Cash App if you don't have a debit card to link to your account. So starting off, if we go to the bottom left-hand corner of the homepage of the Cash App, it's either going to be a dollar amount or a picture of a little building. We're going to click on that to open up our cash balance. That takes us over to our cash balance page, and we can't use the Add Cash option unless we link a debit card. Now, one way around this is if maybe you don't have a debit card, but you still have a bank account, what you can do is go down here and click where it says Link Bank. And then that takes us to this page where it says add a bank using your debit card. But again, if you don't have that debit card, you can go all the way to the bottom and click where it says no card ? And then this will give you the option to link a bank account using your online username and password that you use to log into your bank. And click continue down here at the bottom to go through this process of linking that bank account. So that's one way that you can get around if you don't have a debit card for that bank account. Now going back to the home page, you might not have a debit card or a bank account. I'm going to go over a couple of different ways that you could add cash to your cash balance if this is the case. So we go here towards the bottom and there's this little image of a card down here. If we click on that, and this is going to take us to our cash card page. You might not have a Cash App card. And if that's the case, this isn't going to work, but you can at least order a cash card. But with this cash card, you are able to load funds into your Cash App using it. And to go over an explanation on how you do this, so with that Cash App card, you can go to a retailer or a store such as, Walmart, Walgreens, Target, places like that. And with the help of the cashier, you can load money to your Cash App Visa card. But it is worth noting that the cashier might charge you a fee for doing this, so keep that in mind. But again, if you do have this cash card, you can load money onto your Cash App from a cashier at a retailer by going through those methods. Now, the last option that you have is if you have a friend or family member, somebody you trust who also has the Cash App, they can send funds over to your Cash App account and that will be added to your cash balance. And then you could just pay them back in real life, not using the Cash App if you don't have a debit card or a bank account to link to your account. So I hope this video was helpful, walking you through some different ways that you can add funds to your Cash App if you don't have a debit card. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll catch you back here next time.